welcome back. My name is Melissa and this is Patchworks Farm. Today I am going to be installing a new automatic chicken door from Proshine, which is this one that I already have in right here. They contacted me and asked me if I'd be interested in trying a better model and do a video on it. So I'm going to do an unboxing and an install today. I have not opened this. This is the first time opening it. As before, the first one they sent me, the packaging seemed really nice. I was very impressed with it. So far, this one is pretty good too. Yep, another box inside of a box. And a lot of tape again. This new model that they sent me, actually has a sensor in the door, so it'll protect the chickens if they're in the door while it's going down. It'll stop. This current one that I have does not have that. I haven't had any problems with it. It's worked fantastic, but I'm going to go ahead and give this one a shot. And I told them I would do a very honest review as to what I thought about it, just like I did in my first one. In my first one, everything was pretty good except for some of the screws and hardware weren't exactly as high quality as I would have liked. So I replaced them with a few things. I've had it in for 5 months now. Seems to work great. It has multiple sources of power. It has battery, solar, and 110 electric. I have continually just used it on the solar power. I've never had to plug it in. So let's see what this one's going to be like. Again, nice packaging, very protected. It looks the same as the other one so far, but this is different. This is probably the sensor right here, and that's the one thing this one doesn't have. Very cool. All right, there's the batteries for the battery backup. Nice, they send them with it so you don't have to get them. 2 remotes again. These remotes actually feel pretty nice. They've got some weight to them and they work great. My other ones that I have, they work from quite a distance away. I'd say they probably work from 100 feet, 150 feet away, which is really nice. And here we have hardware, and I bet this in here is going to be to hold the sensor. There's a little bracket in here. This was not in the other package, so I'm guessing that's going to be for the light sensor. Okay. Here is the plug for the 110 electricity if you choose to use that, which if I needed to, we have a generator I could hook it up to, but I haven't had to do that with this other one yet, so that's really nice. Directions, pretty clear cut. let's see. They come with pictures and written words, and they're big enough to read. Let's see how it shows you how to put the sensor in. Okay, there's that. And another. Oh, look at this. This is very, very cool. These are instructions on whether you want it to open when the sun comes up and closes when the sun goes down, or you want to set it for a specific time to do either. This right here is a detailed thing, and it also, this is also where it shows how to put in the sensor. I had to look it up online to set this before, so this is great. Thank you, Proshine. That's wonderful. And there's a new rain shield. And a new solar panel. Another solar panel. And a bracket. Solar panel and the bracket. The bracket is a little flimsy, but it seems to have held up, so I'm not too disappointed with it. But I did use bigger screws, and we did put a backer board behind our current one, just for a little more stability, and it's held up, so I'm happy about that. And then here is the, oh, they put it in a nicer package. Oh, look at that. This is the this is the battery bank that the solar panel charges. It's got an on-off switch. Wonderful. All right, well, there's the unboxing. I'm really happy with the packaging. Again, they really take good care in packing it so it makes it to use safely. And everything seems to be pretty much about the same as the other one, except for this added feature, which is very cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up, and we're going to go ahead and install this today. Apparently this fell out. This is the battery backup box that was in the box as well. All right, here we go. I'm going to take the old door out, and seeing that all of the components are the same as the one I just got, I'm going to just continue to use the ones that I got and keep the other ones for backup when I need to replace something. Unplug it. There's the old one out. Now I'm just going to replace the new door where the old door was. Now I need to install the bracket to hold the light sensor, the infrared light sensor. It comes with screws, but I'm actually going to use a little bit better screw. If they fit. Let's see if they fit. Yeah, they don't fit. I guess we're going to go with the ones they gave us right now. Now the instructions don't say exactly how to put this in, but they do show a picture of where it needs to go. So I'm going to just put it there. It has two adjusters basically. It says it can't be more than 50 millimeters away from the door. I need to make it, there we go, so the wire's not pushing on that bar there. And then put this back on it. Hold it in. And there we go. Like that. I'll plug this in. And we should be set to go. I just need to set the timer on it because I use the timer. I don't like it for the sun going up and down because of the way the shade is and everything here, but I use the timer. So we'll get that set up and then we'll watch the chickens come in and out. All right, so I've gotten it all set up. I did do a test with my hand and it worked, and it stayed up for a minute and then it came back down. So I'm really happy with that. Let's see if we can get the chickens to cooperate. Tick, 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 tickies. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Oh. Here, I forgot their ramp. I gotta put their little ramp up. I forgot it. Come on, chickies. Come on, chicky, 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 chickies. Since they're not coming out right now, we're going to try a different method. I'm going to go inside and coerce them out. Yay, it worked. Hopefully you saw that they were halfway in it and it stopped when it sensed them in it. That's awesome. I love it. So even though I did it with the chickens coming out, I'm just going to do a demonstration with my hand so you can really see it better. Going down. And there we go. It stops and goes back up. And then after a minute or so, it comes down on its own. So I don't know if it's a minute, 30 seconds, but it does come back down. We'll just wait so you can see. It's the longest 30 seconds ever, huh? I should have timed it. I'll be able to time it now that it's on video. We'll see how long it actually takes to come back down. There it goes, all on its own. Not sure how long that was. It seemed like forever. Thanks for watching. God bless. Well, there we have it. The new upgraded Proshine automatic chicken door with the sensor. And see, there it goes, going down. Now that it has sensed there's nothing in it, it goes ahead and closes. Thank you everybody for watching. My name is Melissa and this is Patchworks Farm. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and to support my channel. And look forward to seeing you again soon. God bless. Specific instructions on how to set the timer, whether you want it to come up for the sun. So don't forget to like, subscribe, like, subscribe, share. I'm gonna go ahead and put one more screw in it to hold it better. Maybe. Come on. Oh. The struggle is real, people. Oh, now what? There, it's in. I think I stripped it out on the way, but it's in.